In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Elevenlabs V3 to produce expressive audio speech. First, let's start by navigating to the Elevenlabs website. It's a fantastic free text-to-speech and AI voice generator platform that offers a range of tools for creating expressive and natural-sounding audio. Once you're there, the first thing you'll want to do is sign in. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up by following the prompts provided on the site. Having an account allows you to access the full suite of features and save your work, so it's definitely worth taking the time to set up. After signing in, you'll be redirected to the Elevenlabs home. This is your central hub where you can manage your projects and access various tools. From here, click on the Voices option. This will take you to the Voice Library, a space where you can explore different voice options, create your own customized voices, or even clone existing ones. It's a versatile tool for anyone looking to experiment with voice synthesis. Next, let's move on to the exciting part, creating or cloning a voice. By selecting this option, you'll be presented with a variety of choices. If you're new to voice synthesis, you might want to start by exploring some of the pre-existing voices. However, if you're feeling creative, you can go ahead and design your own voice. This is where the real fun begins, as you have the opportunity to tweak various parameters to shape the voice just as you like it. Once you've settled on the voice design, it's time to generate your voice by clicking on Generate Voice. At this stage, you can input the text you want to be converted into audio. This is where the expressive power of Elevenlabs really shines. The system uses sophisticated AI algorithms to ensure that the resultant audio is not just accurate, but also rich in emotion and natural intonation. If you're working on a narrative or a character-driven piece, these features can add a lot of depth and nuance to your project. Before finalizing, it's a good idea to preview the audio to ensure it meets your expectations. This gives you the chance to go back and make any necessary adjustments. Once you're satisfied with the outcome, you can download the audio file for use in your projects. And that's it. You've successfully used Elevenlabs V3 to create expressive audio speech, opening up endless possibilities for your creative ventures. Whether you're a content creator, author, or just someone with a passion for AI and voice technology, Elevenlabs offers a powerful platform to enhance your work.